How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares, or welcome to the Little Shop of Nightmares if it's your first time. Today I'm going to be working on, it's I cast this blank, but one of the guys I work with was he wanted a $2 pen, so we're going to work on one of those. Of course, you know, a bill is shorter than the $2 bill's not as wide as the blank is long, so we're going to have to cut it out and then recast it. But, well, let's see what we can get started on. Alright, I got you guys over here at the drill press. Now let's see if I can work around you. Alright, I'll get you guys moved over to the lathe and we'll get started turning. Alright, I guess the first thing we need to do is mark out our $2 bill, where it's going to land at. Well, I don't know which side looks better, the front or the back. His mother, he's wanting this for his mother, and he was saying her favorite color is purple, so that's what we're going to do, or we're going to try to anyway. We may just end up making a daggone mess, but we'll never know till we get started. It'll lay nicely. Now we just gotta get it on down where we need it. We'll take it to metal. Be all right. That'll work fine. All right, I'm gonna take that in and glue it up, and I'll bring you guys, recast it, and I'll bring you guys back whenever it gets cured. So probably tomorrow. All right, everybody. We are back in the little shop of nightmares. It's been a couple of days for me. It's been a second or two for you. We're gonna see if we can get this pen finished up so that I can get it delivered. If we can find the right tool, we'll be doing good today. I don't think I can get it any brighter than that. I think we come out pretty good. Got one little air bubble in it there. Well, let's see if we can get it put together. I'll bring you guys back in a minute. All right, we got to put together something I thought was neat about these pins. Okay, you see how we fiddle focus in there, somewhere around in there, maybe. Try this. There we go. Do you see how our orientation is? If you do, you know, the thing about this kit is all this unscrews and it's interchangeable. I mean, you're just putting essentially the plugs in. But if you don't like it, you can swap it around. If you get tired of the direction that it's actually, you know, you don't like the orientation of how you've done it, you can swap it around. Which I think, you know, I don't know, it's kind of neat. Maybe it's not, but, you know, I have in the past put pins together and said, oops, I put them together the wrong direction from what they should have been. But anyway, that's got a Eco Zen pin complete. That's worth at least $2. And let me get the dollar bill flipped around here. I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thanks for your time. We'll see you guys on